So if you tried everything and the fireplace is not turning on, your pilot light might be out. So if you come here and you don't see a blue flame, that means your pilot light's out. But it's simple to turn on. So first thing is, remove the cover. And this one other piece will just slip out. So, first thing is you want to make sure this green switch is turned to on, to pilot. The next thing is you want to make sure this blue lever is horizontal. Once you see it's turned to pilot, push in the green button and simply hit the igniter. And you will now see that the blue flame is on. Slowly release the green knob and make sure it's pulled out all the way, otherwise you won't be able to turn it on. And then switch it to on. Now your pilot light's lit, and now you just have to come over here and turn to the thermostat. Thank you.